Oh, hey, there you are. Come on, let's go for a ride. This is Buff Enuff. Let's go. Woo! Woo! Pretty dry and loose today. That was a tight spot by that tree. Woo! Woo! Yo! Woo! Oh, big stump there. Don't hit the stump. Pedal out of that. Woo! 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 Oh, loose there. Woo! Such a fun trail. This section's a little pedally here, but then we're gonna drop into some roots here. So hopefully I can clean it today. All right, here it is. Woo! Woo! Drop. Rudy. Woo-hoo! A little bit better of a gear. Here we go. Woo! Oh, close. Okay, here we go. Rudy. This is a tricky trail. Keep your speed. Then right over the middle. Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh, I got it today. Nice. Yoo! Tricky section for sure. Woo! Woohoo! Let's go. Yo! Such a fun trail. Woo! Little pedally here, but nice views. Woo! Yo! Now that is Buff Enuff. Such a fun trail. I'm gonna check Garmin and see how long it took and how far it was. So let's bring up Garmin. So the time, it took 3.13 minutes and the distance was 0.94 kilometers. Such a fun trail. I ride a new trail every week. Subscribe and come ride with me. I'll see you in the next one. Yep.